I'm the students, you're the teacher. Okay, ready? We're gonna change our hats. My Avery hat is on, and you're gonna wear your Miss Gerber hat. Okay. What does Miss Gerber say?
What month is it? Yeah. Yeah.
It's March.
What number is it? Remember, I have to let the other students.
It's March 3rd. Was that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Ouch! Miss Gerber.
Yeah.
Emma pinched me.
Emma, don't.
It really hurts.
You guys be good.
I don't like being pinched. That makes me feel sad.
I'm gonna have a talk to everyone's parents.
Miss Gerber, what's next? Miss Gerber, what's next? I want to learn
Recess.
something. Teach me, teach me, teach me, teach me.
Math. Here's a worksheet.
I need help. What is my worksheet? I don't understand. What am I supposed to do?
Here. Now you have 7 plus 11.
Oh, that's really hard. I don't have enough fingers for that.
You count.
How?
See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What comes after 17?
18.
Yes.
Okay. I'm done.
You have it all right.
Yeah.